In this video I'm going to be reviewing my GT Force Expert Carbon. Most of you will probably know I've had this bike a while now and I've had a lot of crashes on it. I couldn't really say a lot, but I've had a few crashes on it. I've tested it and overall I'm really happy with it, so let's see what I think of it in depth. So when I was looking for a full suspension bike, I was looking for aluminium or carbon frame. I was looking for a 27.5 wheel size, but I could have definitely got a bike for a cheaper price if it was 29, but I thought it might have been a bit odd on a small size bike. That's why I didn't go for one. I was also preferably looking for 160mm Fox suspension. So now that you know what I was looking for, let's have a look at what I like and dislike about the bike. What I really like is that it has a carbon frame, which means it's really light. I know how much heavier this bike would be with an aluminium frame, even though it is pretty heavy. What I really like about the Fox forks is how much travel they have. They make it feel like I'm riding on air, which I kind of am, as they're pumped up with air, but they're so soft and comfy and fun to ride with. It's like it's fresh and fun and jumpy. I really like it with the Air Forks and the Fox forks. I really like the 125mm dropper post on the small one. On the large and the medium ones it's 150mm, but compared to my Marin, it's a lot bigger. I also really find the 12 gears on the SRAM GX Eagle a lot easier cycling uphill, especially with the more travel. Now let's move on to the dislikes. One of my dislikes when mountain biking and going really fast is the chain slap. So along here you can hear my chain hitting my frame quite a lot. It's quite annoying, but I can live with it. Also, I found the handlebar grips, which they come with, aren't very good, and I recommend getting some new ones if you're going to buy the bike. They definitely run out really quickly. When you get them, they're really nice and grippy, but the tread runs away really quickly, and I'm planning to get some new ones very soon. When I was reviewing this footage, just in a second you'll hear a bang. Don't know what it is, but let's hear it again. If you have any ideas of what that bang is, make sure to leave them down below in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got something useful from this, or I hope you learned about the bike and enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.